A drawer that's not operating right. It's a very simple reason. Refinished the top and put in the drawer back. It didn't get set right. This particular drawer has this, it's like a special flap here. So I'm folding that down.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Dresser drawer that recently refinished the top. Dresser that recently refinished the top. But I got a drawer that's not operating properly. But the other thing that I wanted to show on this is how to remove this type of dresser drawer. So it's not seating right. What it has back here is this little deal that keeps the drawer from coming out too far. And what you want to do is close the drawer a little bit so you can reach your hand in there, and then you're going to fold the flap down and then just carefully pull the drawer out. Okay. And what this has is a drawer guide right here. You got to make sure that the drawer guide is actually in the track, like so, for the drawer deal. And now it'll operate nice and smooth. And now our deal is back there so it doesn't come out too far. It's kind of a safety on some of the, nicer dressers have that feature. Anyway.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There is a plan for us deeper than what we see. This is why it's called a planet. It's a planet. It's a plan. It's a plan for this planet. This will fade. There's a coming day. Are you ready? Right through this message, written for this message. Save us through him. He came for you. Took our place and suffered and died for us. Took all our garbage upon himself. Gives us his righteousness to those who